Today we learn how to sketch this simple 2D drawing. This is the 2D drawing. So now let's start. Just click new and click 2D engineering drawing and click OK and choose A3 and click OK. Now cancel it. At first I will sketch a center line. Just go to line and sketch center line. Sketch center line from this point to this and sketch from this point to this and select OK. Now sketch, go to circle and sketch a circle 1, 2 and 3. Yes, select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make it 12 millimeter. Click enter. Again make it this 18 millimeter. Click enter. Again make it 24 millimeter. Click enter. Yes. Now our dimension is defined. Okay. Just drag it and just drag it. Yes. Now I will cut at this section. So I will sketch again center line from this point to this and select OK. Just click this on this line, make sure it is vertical. Okay. Again I will choose this center line and just sketch center line and select OK and just mark it, just line this, mark this, yes, and this and select OK and again sketch line from this to this to this, select OK and write this section A to A. Just go to annotation, click this note, just write here and just write A and you can change this size. I will choose this 22, this size will 22. Yes, and click OK. Now again I will click note and click just in this side and I will make it A and I will make it 22 size and click OK. Sorry, this size is not 22, so again I will click here and I will choose this size 22. Just click OK. Yes. This is the section I cut this in this origin point. Now I will click this line and a sketch line from this point to this point and this point and this point to 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 this point, and select OK. Now go to smart dimension, make from this point to this point, make it 29 millimeter, click enter, and make it this line 3 millimeter, click enter. Yes, right click and select OK. Just drag it little. Yes. Now go to again choose line, sketch from this line to this line, and select OK. Now again a sketch line, this point to this, and select OK. Now it will be all the this side. So now I will go to this linear sketch pattern, and this is the distance. This is our distance, x-axis. This is our x-axis, and just make it distance will make 1 millimeter, and it will be number of 28. Click enter, and just I will choose entity to pattern. Click entity to pattern. This is our entity to pattern. Now see, it will be until this point. So now I will click OK. Now see, just trim this outside. Okay. Yes, and click OK. Yes. Now I will fill this line, so I will click this line from this point to this, and click this point to this, and select OK, and again click this, just this point to this, and select OK. Select OK, and again choose this point to just this point to this, and just select OK. Just trim it. Click trim and choose power trim, and click this, and just click OK. Again just click line from this point to this. Yes, this point to just click this and select OK. Yeah. And you can sketch a line from this point to this point, and select OK. Again you can sketch line this point to this, and select OK. Now see, just I will mirror this. Just go to mirror entity, and just click all this mirror. Yes, and just I will click mirror about. This is our mirror about. Yes, now I'll just click OK. Just click this and click from this point to this, just connect it, select OK. Just again sketch from this point to this, just select OK. Now see, all you can make this or an line from this point to this point. Yes, and right click and select OK. Now see, this is our 2D drawing, and you can write this section A to A. It is section A to A. So I'll go to annotation and click this note and write this in this point. I'll write section A to A. Yes, just I'll make it, just change this size. I'll choose this size 22 and just click OK. Now see, this is our 2D drawing. Yes, now again I will sketch part or another part. Just I sketch this, now I sketch this. Yes, just go to here and just at first go to this sketch and click this center line, sketch center line from this point to this, and just this point to this, and select OK. Now sketch circle with this origin point. Just click sketch a circle, and again or another circle, just right click and select OK. Make this dimension, go to a smart dimension, make it 24 millimeter. Yes, make it 24 millimeter, click enter, and again make this 8 millimeter, click enter. Yes, just select OK, just drag it and now sketch a center line, just it will be until this, and just select OK. Now I will sketch line just from this point to this, and 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 just select OK. Now go to add relation, click this line and this line, click, just go to this, click equal, just click OK. Yes, now this distance will be 3 millimeter. So I'll just go to a smart dimension, make it, just keep it 3 millimeter, keep it 3 millimeter, click enter. Yes, now I will sketch this circle. Just go to this center line, I will define this will be in this point. See, yeah, it will be this point to this, and just click and select OK, and again click this center line, it will be this point to this, just click this, right from this, just click this point to this and select OK. Just click on this line and click this vertical, make sure, and again click this line make sure it is vertical. Yes, and just click this line and okay. Now see, this is the drawing. Yeah, this is the simple 2D drawing. Okay, just see. If you want to write your company name or anything, just we will go to this annotation, click this note, just we will write note in this point, just write it, write, just click note, note, just write all dimension in mm, just write it, and just if you want to change this size, just I'll just click this 22 and just it will be a sketch here, and just click OK. Now see, if you want to any note, just we will follow this. Okay, if you want to write this title, just we will click note and click this title. Yes, I'll click this title 2D drawing. Okay, and just click OK. Now see, yeah, this is the simple 2D drawing. Okay, thank you for watching.